Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today we'll be making chicken okra soup. Yeah, it's vegetable chicken okra. Yeah. So let's begin. So this is the okra, the onions. I'm using the Maggi, the crayfish, the oil, then the pepper that I'm going to use. So the kale and the chicken. So I get a pot, put it on medium low heat, and then I started adding my oil. So I actually made the chicken with that pot, so that's why it's looking like that. So um put in the oil on medium low to dissolve because I need it to dissolve. So I kept putting the oil inside the pot as much as I wanted because it's going to be a very big soup, a very big chicken okra soup. So the next thing I'm putting is my Maggi because I pounded the Maggi in the mortar. So I sprinkled in the Maggi inside from the mortar. That's what you're seeing. So I stirred it, kept stirring and stirring it just to dissolve the oil inside the pot. So kept stirring, as you can see. I'm stirring it on medium low. So the next thing I'm putting is my onions. I put in the little bit first barrage of onions because I want it to have this oniony, there's this flavor it gives. So I first of all stir it inside the oil with the Maggi. Kept stirring it and stirring it till it doesn't, it's not that fixed texture of the onion anymore. It's no longer thick. So it kept stirring and stirring. Then the next thing I'm gonna put is my second batch of the onion inside. And then I kept stirring and stirring and stirring inside. So that's how you keep doing it. Then you just kept stirring and stirring and stirring on medium low heat. This is on medium low heat. Then the next thing I'm gonna put is my okra. So I'm putting my okra inside. So I I actually increased the heat to a little bit of high right now because I'm going to fry this. So I put in my second batch of the okra. Like I told you guys earlier, it's going to be a very big soup. So this is like eating a vegetable soup. So this is I put in my okra inside and kept stirring it. So I kept stirring the okra with the onion, the oil. So you keep stirring and stirring and stirring. That's basically what you do. Keep stirring it inside, mixing everything in together. Turning, stirring, stirring. You make sure everything mixed in together. So the next thing I'm going to put is my pepper, my grinded pepper. So I try to sprinkle it inside, and then my blended pepper. So you sprinkle as much as you want. Then put in crayfish. So put in pepper, put in crayfish, and then you stir. You keep stirring and stirring and stirring. that's how I kept doing it, mixing everything in. You keep mixing and mixing and mixing inside. Mm. So next, gonna put in my kale because that's what I use. That's the veggies I use. So in Nigeria we use ogo, which is the pumpkin leaf. But here I couldn't get it, so what I got was kale. So you kept you keep stirring it inside, stirring it inside. You keep stirring and stirring. Okay. Remember I told you this is like a veggie type of soup, very healthy for my, healthy things teams out there. It's a very good soup. You can, make, and it doesn't take time. It really doesn't take time. So when you're done, the next thing I put is my chicken, because I remember I told you this is chicken okra soup. So I put in the water first because that's what I'm going to use to make the soup. So I usually, cook my chicken with Maggi, a little bit of salt, and put in pepper and onion, the blended pepper inside an onion. So that's how I, spice up my chicken. So for my soup. So I couldn't put in all the water inside because I don't want the water to overflow. So I actually started putting the chicken one after the other inside. Trust me, it was time wasting, but yeah, I had to do it just to make the soup come out great and not watery. So you just keep, putting putting your chicken inside the soup. Remember I told you it's um chicken okra soup. Yeah, chicken vegetable okra, because this is basically just veggies and chicken. Yeah. Um, I made it with a lot of chicken because it's actually a lot of soup. So most time, if you want to put in, like my Nigerian people out there, if you want to put in your mangala, put in your meat, put in anything, that it's still okay. But mine, it's just chicken with okra. That's it. So it's actually a lot of soup. It is. So I put in that much chicken and then I mixed everything in so that the little spice in the chicken and the okra can mix together up so that the things in the okra, the spices I put in the okra will get into the chicken and it will come out great. So you can see initially the thickness of the okra. That's how I like mine to be. I like my okra thick like that. So it depends on how. There are so many ways you can cut your okra, but because this is like a veggie type of soup. That's why I cut mine that way. And trust me, it came out really, really great. Yeah, it really came out great. So you keep stirring everything in, keep stirring everything in. Yeah, so you keep going. It's boiling. It's actually boiling. So yeah, then you see that's the outcome of the soup. You see how beautiful it is. That is actually the outcome of the soup. Uh, I hope you learned. This is like an easy way you can make your okra. So hope you learned, and trust me, this came out very great. This came out very great. It's boiled now. It came out great. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, because I'm gonna be giving you some, if not all, the Nigerian soup, the easiest way you can make it out here.